Hi friends, look what I've got here. It's a doctor coloring in sheet. Let's grab our colorful markers and color it in. Let's see what it will look like at the end. Wow, that's so colorful. Let's go. Let's grab the brown color and color in his hair. Wow, that looks amazing! Now let's grab the peach color and color in his ears. Wow, that looks so good, friends! Now let's grab the blue and color in his shirt. Let's grab the black one and do his trousers. Now let's get the yellow coloring pen and color in his tie. Let's do green for his coat. That looks amazing! What color shall we do for his shoes? How about this dark blue one? Yeah! Great! Now let's grab red and color in the heart. Now let's grab dark pink and do the other heart. Wow, that's so pretty! Now let's grab purple and do this one. Now let's grab olive and do his stethoscope. Let's grab green again and do the inside, just the same as his coat. Now let's grab dark green and do the other stethoscope. Let's grab green. And now we pick grey. Let's grab the orange one. Now let's grab the red and do the label. Wow, that's looking great! Now let's grab dark green. Fantastic! Now let's color in the word doctor. I'm going to grab light blue. Wow, that's beautiful! That looks amazing! Great job, friends! Hi friends! Look what I've got here! It's a firefighter! Let's grab my wand and see what it will look like at the end. Ooh, that's beautiful! Wow, that looks amazing! Let's start with the dark red marker and color in his jacket. Cool, that looks so good. Let's grab bright orange for his badge. And now let's do his pants. Wow, that looks so good, friends. Now let's grab dark red and do his shoes. Ooh, it's looking lovely. Let's grab the red again to do his helmet. And let's grab green to do the inside. Let's use brown for his hair. Let's grab peach and do his ears. And his hands. Wow, that looks amazing! Let's grab the red to do the flame. Let's use bright orange to do the middle section. And yellow for the top. Let's grab the brown marker. And now let's grab the olive pen. Let's use light blue here. Cool! And now let's grab the red marker. Let's use the black for here. Now let's grab the blue marker. Let's use dark blue for the pipe. And bright orange for the rest. Wow, friends, we're nearly there. Now let's color in the word firefighter. Let's use lime green. Wow, that's so colorful, friends. Great job. Yay. Till next time. Bye-bye.